Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi R8 versus the Z06. We'll explore their core differences and help you decide which high-performance vehicle best suits your driving style. The Audi R8 boasts a naturally aspirated V10, while the Z06 counters with a naturally aspirated V8. Both offer incredible speed and agility, making them top contenders in the sports car segment. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to raw power, both cars impress. The Audi R8's V10 engine delivers over 600 horsepower, offering a thrilling, high-revving experience. The Z06, with its 5.5-liter V8, pushes out 670 horsepower, providing immense torque. Both can hit 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds, ensuring exhilarating acceleration every time you hit the gas. The driving experience differs significantly. The Audi R8, with its quattro all-wheel drive, offers incredible stability and confidence in various conditions. The Z06, being rear-wheel drive, delivers a more raw, track-oriented feel, perfect for experienced drivers seeking maximum engagement. Both cars feature sophisticated suspension setups, ensuring exceptional handling and a connected feel to the road. Visually, these cars have distinct personalities. The Audi R8 presents a sleek, sophisticated European design, often described as understated elegance. The Z06, on the other hand, boasts an aggressive, muscular American supercar aesthetic. While neither is designed for practicality, both offer comfortable interiors with advanced technology. Your choice might come down to personal style and desired driving feel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.